In today's diverse and multilingual school environments, effective communication is no longer optional. It's essential. But for many schools, managing interpretation and translation requests remains a constant struggle. Requests for interpreters, document translations, and meeting coordination are scattered across emails, paper forms, and disconnected systems. Manual tracking leads to delays, lost information, and missed opportunities. Without dashboards, alerts, or integrated reporting, administrators are left blind to real-time needs, struggling to plan, respond, and prove compliance. Outdated legacy systems make it even harder, with no role management, limited workflows, and less automation. The result? Frustration for staff, inefficiency for administrators, and lost connection between schools, students, and families. Introducing the K12 Interpreter App, a one-stop digital platform designed to simplify, centralize, and automate all school communication needs. Built specifically for K12 schools and districts, it allows educators and administrators to schedule, manage, and track interpretation and translation services in one seamless space. Whether it's a phone call, a parent meeting, or a document translation, everything happens faster, smarter, and with complete transparency. Let's take a closer look at how the K12 Interpreter App empowers every role in your school. Requester Module. Simplicity. First, staff can easily raise interpreter or translation requests right from the app for phone calls, meetings, or document translations. Student details auto-populate as soon as you enter the ID, saving time and eliminating manual errors. Just fill in the required fields and submit. It's that simple. Admin Module. Full control at a glance. The admin dashboard consolidates all requests into one powerful view, enabling school administrators to review, approve, assign, or reject requests in real time. Dynamic dashboards offer instant insights into key metrics across phone, meeting, and document interpretation activities. Customization tools allow admins to tailor forms, modify layouts, and adapt workflows to meet district needs. Built-in notifications and reminders ensure nothing falls through the cracks. Admins can download detailed monthly or annual reports for compliance, planning, and performance review. And with the settings feature, role-based access and user management are right at your fingertips. Interpreter Module. Organized and efficient. For interpreters, the system offers a clear and organized workspace. All assigned requests are visible in one place, complete with detailed request data, timelines, and actions. The built-in notification panel and calendar view make it easy to track upcoming calls, meetings, and translation tasks, helping interpreters stay on top of every assignment. The K12 Interpreter App is more than just a tool. It's a communication bridge. It streamlines interpreter requests, automates approvals, enhances accuracy, and ensures inclusivity for every student and parent. Real-time dashboards, automated workflows, and clear visibility empower administrators to make data-driven decisions. With flexible scheduling, reminders, and actionable reports, schools save time, reduce manual errors, and strengthen community engagement. The K12 Interpreter App, bringing people, language, and learning together. Empower your district with seamless communication today. Thank you for watching.